Our rain chances go up, and it's all due to the tropics. You've probably heard over the weekend. As a matter of fact, when we last talked on Friday, I said give it the weekend because we knew that we were going to see the numbers and percentages go up, and eventually the computer models will get a center to hang on to, and we'll get a little better idea. Unfortunately, what's happened here is the National Hurricane Center on Sunday began initializing what they call an invest, and all that means is they're now investigating it. They're running computer models on it. But those computer models don't have a tremendous amount of value yet because we haven't seen the center of what will become a hurricane develop quite yet. And any development east or west could have big implications down the line for what that means or doesn't mean for Southwest Florida. I want to show you our in-house computer model just to give you an idea of why we're sitting up and paying attention to this. You can see how fast this spins up. And by the time we get towards Wednesday, our high-resolution in-house computer model is showing a hurricane in the southern part of the Gulf, and we will see rain bands start here Wednesday evening. And again, the long-range model showing movement off to the north. If this were to move and the center develop a little farther to the east, so closer to the coastline, obviously the bigger impacts. If it's farther to the west, the less impacts we will see. Let me show you two of the more reliable computer models we look at. In the yellow, the GFS, and the blue, the European. The GFS here in the days ahead, the more aggressive one on size, and it's also the more aggressive one here as far as being a little closer to the state. And as we follow both of the centers northbound, right now the thinking is Big Bend, Florida Panhandle for a landfall. But with a system that close, we will see impacts here, and you're looking at that landfall being Thursday evening. So a very quick week here from going without an official tropical system yet to having a full-blown hurricane, perhaps even a major hurricane here in the Gulf of Mexico. So you'll want to stay tuned here in the days ahead. The high-resolution computer model locally shows Tuesday we're still seeing scattered showers and storms, but by Wednesday we're going to start to see those rain bands move through. There's lunchtime, and you can see more moving through in the late evening and overnight hours. The next name up on the list is Helene, followed by Isaac. There is one other area off the coast of Africa right now, way out there, that has a 70% chance of developing. I do anticipate the one there in the Gulf to get the name first. So looking ahead, breezy with storms, windy with storms there on Thursday. Marine conditions are going to deteriorate, and we could see some localized flooding there with some increased water levels along the coastline. But we'll be able to dial it in a little better here in the days ahead.